Attention all personnel. Production target for the month has been exceeded. Well done, team.
This has to be but
This structural support here seems
Insufficient for the projected load.
I agree, but the fluid dynamics require this clearance.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Okay, slowly lowering the panel now.
Keep an eye on the starboard side clearance there. Roger that.
Moving very slowly now. All right, steady now. Push on 3. 1, 2, 3.
A little to the left, steady now.
Clear on this side, looks good.
Verify the alignment on the starboard engine before proceeding.
Tolerances look good on the data pad, but let's double-check the mounting bolts.
Check the alignment on auxiliary port 2.
Looks good from here. Angle is stable.
We are clear for the next sequence.
This wire harness seems slightly loose. We need to document it.
Incidents. The tandem rotor system utilizes 2 large rotors rotating in opposite directions. This crucial design element.
We are approaching Sector 4. The path is clear. Keep it steady. Easy now, slow and steady. We're almost there.
Alignment looks good from here, boss.
Roger that. Slower engaging.
Running diagnostics on auxiliary channel. Audio check, testing, 1, 2. Levels are stable across the board. Switching completed.
The pressure looks stable, but we have a small leak here at the coupling. I'm noting the location and severity on the tablet now.
Hydraulic pressure steady. Configure for engine start.
Roger. Pressure confirmed. Stand by for ignition sequence.
We have an anomaly in the thermal couplings, bank 4.
Adjusting the fuel mixture. Levels are stabilizing now.
Avionics bus activation confirmed. Checklist proceeding to engine start sequence.
Wheel well inspection complete. Clear.
Copy that. Checklist finalized.
Look at what we accomplished together. This represents thousands of hours of teamwork, and you should all be incredibly proud. Look at her, absolutely perfect.
Best build yet.
We finished ahead of schedule too. Great job, everyone.